Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you're all doing fantastic today. It's your tech guide, Mehdi Abbas Nathani, back with another video. Today we're diving into a topic that's not just trending but is set to revolutionize the way we think about app development. Today, we're going to talk about something that's going to shape the future of app development, Flutter. Yes, you heard it right. Flutter is not just a buzzword, it's a game changer. If you're curious about what's coming next in the world of mobile and web apps, stick around, because the future of Flutter is seriously exciting. We're talking about innovations that will make your development process smoother, faster, and more efficient. Let's explore what's happening and why you should care as a Gen Z developer. Whether you're a seasoned coder or just starting out, Flutter has something for everyone. Alright, so Flutter is already a big deal for building cross-platform apps. It allows you to create beautiful, natively compiled applications for mobile, web, and desktop from a single code base. But guess what? It's only getting better. Let's break down what's coming next, the advancements, the new features, and why you should be excited. One code, everywhere. Imagine writing code just once and running it on any device, whether it's Android, iOS, the web, or even your laptop. This is not just a dream, it's becoming a reality with Flutter. That's where Flutter is headed. This means you can focus more on creating amazing user experiences rather than worrying about platform-specific issues. This means less time coding, more time launching. Gen Z loves efficiency, right? We're all about getting things done quickly and effectively. Super smooth performance. Ever get annoyed by laggy apps? With Flutter 3, Google is focusing on faster, smoother performance. This is crucial for maintaining user engagement and satisfaction. That means better animations, quicker load times, and no more delays, even on lower-end phones. Perfect for all you mobile game devs out there. Imagine your game running flawlessly on any device. Easy-peasy tools, no more setup headaches. With tools like Dartpad, you can start building Flutter apps right in your browser without installing anything. This is a huge advantage for beginners and pros alike, and with CI/CD integration, deploying apps is becoming easier than ever. Flutter's making our dev lives simpler and faster, just how we like it. Continuous integration and continuous deployment are becoming seamless, making your workflow more efficient. Power of the community. What's really cool about Flutter is its growing community. There's a sense of belonging and collaboration that's hard to find elsewhere. There's always a new package, plugin, or library popping up. This means you have a plethora of resources at your disposal to make your development process easier and more efficient. And as Gen Z, we love being part of something bigger, right? Whether you're contributing to open source or learning from others, this community is where you belong. The support and knowledge sharing are invaluable. AI meets Flutter. AI isn't just a buzzword, it's the future. And Flutter is getting ready to be a part of it. Artificial intelligence is becoming an integral part of app development, and Flutter is at the forefront of this revolution. Imagine creating apps with built-in AI features like chatbots or smart recommendations. It's happening, and trust me, it's a skill you'll want to have in your toolkit. The integration of AI will open up new possibilities and functionalities for your apps. And that's just the start. Flutter is leveling up, and so should you. If you're as hyped about this as I am, make sure to like this video, share it with your developer friends, and hit that subscribe button for more tech content. Stay updated with the latest trends and advancements in the tech world. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep coding and keep growing. This is Mehdi Abbas Nathani, signing off. Remember, the future of app development is in your hands, and with Flutter, the possibilities are endless. See you in the next one. Until then, keep exploring, keep innovating, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with technology.